This is 2012 KCSE paper 2 question number 18, and we are told OABC is a parallelogram with vertices O00, A21, 20, B32, C12. OABC prime is the image of OABC and a transformation matrix minus 2, 0, 0, minus 2. Part A, Roman number 1, find the coordinates of OABC prime. Now, since this is a transformation through this matrix, what we need to do is we multiply this matrix with the matrix that is to be formed using the coordinates of AOBC. So we have 0, 0, that is for O. We have 2, 0, that is for A. We have 3, 2, that is for B. And we have 1, 2, and that is for C. When you multiply this, you should be able to get the matrix that will form the coordinates of ABC, OABC prime. So minus 2 times 0, that will give you 0. The other one is minus 2 times 2, that is minus 4. 0 times 0, that is 0. So you end up with minus 4. Then we have minus 2 times 3, that is minus 6. 0 times 2, that is 0. So we end up with minus 6. Then we have minus 2 times 1, that is minus 2. 0 times 2, you get minus 2. You add, you get minus 2. So we go to the second row. This will be 0 times 0 and plus minus 2 times 0, that will give you 0. And then we have 0 times 2, that is 0, minus 2 times 0, that will give you 0. So even there we have 0. Then we have minus 0 times 3, that is 0, plus minus 2 times 2, that will give you minus 4. And then we have 0 times 1, that is 0, minus 2 times 2, that will be minus 4. When you add 0 plus minus 4, you get minus 4. So this implies that this is a O prime, A prime, B prime, and C prime. And this means that the coordinates of O prime will be 0, 0. The coordinates of A prime will be that will give minus 4, 0. B prime will have minus 6, minus 4, and finally we have our C prime, which will be minus 2, minus 4. So that is how you get the coordinates of that. I'm using that place because of space, because we still have a lot to work on. So we go to Roman number 2. In the grid provided, draw AOBC and OABC prime. So let's do that on a grid. This is the grid that I'm going to use to plot the two figures. I've already inserted the coordinates of the object and the coordinates of the image, which we have calculated using the transformation matrix. So let me first of all draw my Cartesian plane. So we have that is 2. Let's say this is a starting point. That's 4. That is 6, and that is our x-axis. The other side we have minus 2. We have minus 4. We have minus 6. We have minus 8. The y-axis we have that is 2. This is 4. This is 6. That is our y-axis. Always remember to label your axis. So this is minus 2. This is minus 4. This is minus 6. This is minus 8. Now we start with the object. That is the first point. That is our O, which is the origin. A is at 2, 0. So this is where we have our A. That's our A. We have our C is 3, 2. Our 3, 2, that is our C. and our that is our B, not C. So this is our B. Our C is at minus 1, 2. So 1, 2 is there. So this is our C. So we are going to join those 4 points to come up with our object. So this is our object. Then let's now draw the image. Our starting point is 0, 0, does not change. A is at minus 4, 0. So that is where we have our A. Let's say that's our A. Our B is minus 6, 4, minus 6, minus 4. That's minus 6, minus 4. So that is where we have our B. And our C is at minus 2, minus 4. So that is our C. So we join the 4 points to come up with the image. This is our image which we have obtained, and I have used different colors so that you can be able to see it clearly. But during the exam, it's not a must you use different colors. You just use your pencil, and that is very important to mention that during an exam you use a pencil to draw, because when you make a mistake you can be able to rub. But when you use a biro pen, you may mess up your graph, and since the graphs are printed on the question paper, that is which is the same as the answering sheet, you may not be able to get another one. So let's go back to the question and proceed. Part B of the question, Roman number 1, we are told find OABC double prime, the image of OABC prime under the transformation matrix 1, 0, 0 minus 2, and you get yourself 2 marks. So what you do, you multiply the matrix that we got for OABC prime with the matrix. So we say 1, we have 0, we have 0, we have minus 2. We multiply by this matrix 0, 0, minus 4, 0. We have minus 6, minus 4. We have minus 2, minus 4. And when you multiply that, you should be able to get this is 0, 0. You get that is 0. That is 1 times minus 4, 0 times 0, so you get it is minus 4. So you realize that that row will not change. So we have minus 6, we have minus 2. The other one is 0 times 0, it becomes 0. This is 0 times 4, this is that will also be 0. This is minus 2 times 6, that is 12. And this is plus 2 times 4, that is 8. So when you add the 2, you get it is equals to 8. Then you multiply by 0 times minus 2, that will be 0, minus 2 times 4, that will give you 8. So this is our A prime, that not A but O prime, O prime, A prime, B prime, and C prime. And once you multiply, then you get O double prime, this is B double prime, and C double prime. That is we start with OA, so this is our A double prime, B double prime, and C double prime. So this means that the coordinates of O double prime, it remains 0, 0. We have A double prime, we have it is minus 4, 0. Then we have B double prime, we have it is minus 6, 8. And finally we have our C double prime, whose coordinates are minus 2 and 8. So these are the coordinates of our second image. Roman number 2, we are told on the same grid draw OABC double prime. So we are going to do that on our graph and see how it's looked like. So we are back to the grid. I I have already inserted my coordinates of the second image, and I'm doing that because this is just for the purpose of teaching. Otherwise, during the exam, since you are working on the same page, you should be able to move faster. So the origin remains the same point, that is 0, 0. A double prime goes to minus 4, 0. So that is where we have A. And then we have our B is minus 6, 8, minus 6. We just modify here, that is that's where 8 should be. So we can add here, this is where we have 8. So this is our B double prime, and our C is minus 2, 8, minus 2, 8 there. So we have our C. So with that, we are going to join the 4 points to come up with our image. So this is our second image, and very easy to get that. The goodness with a graph paper question is that you can be able to score full mark very easily. So let's go back to the question and proceed. Part C of the question, we are told find a single matrix that maps OABC double prime onto OABC. So for us to get that, let's name our matrix as M, N, and QP. If we multiply that matrix by the matrix of this OABC double prime, that is 0, 0, that is minus 4, 0, minus 6, 8, and minus 2, 8, it should give us the matrix of our object, which is 0, 0, this is 2, 0, this is 3, 2, and this is 1, 2. When you multiply this matrix, M times 0 is 0, N times 0 is 0, then you should be able to get the matrix 0, that is 0. The other one is 4 times minus M, that 4, that is minus 4M, N times 0. So your matrix is minus 4M. The other one will be minus 4Q. Then we have the other one will be minus 6M plus 8N. And then we have minus 6Q plus 8P. Then finally we have minus 2M plus 8N. Then we have minus 2Q plus 8P, which is equals to this matrix, that is 0, 0, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 1, 2. So this is this should give you the values of M. For example, you find since we are equating the two matrices, minus 4M, this value here is the same as 2. So when you equate that, you will be able to get our M is equals to minus a half. When you equate those two, then you equate minus 4Q with 0, then you find that your Q is equals to 0. Then you form two simultaneous equations, that is 6M plus 8N is equals to 3, and we have minus 2M plus 8N is equals to 1. Those, you solve those two simultaneous equations, then you should be able to get our N is equals to 0, and our P is equals to a quarter. Doing that because of space, so this means that to end up with our matrix, which we had assigned MN QP, should give us the value of M. We have found it is a half, the value of n, we have found it is 0. The value of p is we have the value of q, we have found q is equals to 0, and the value of p, we have found it is a quarter. So that is the matrix that will map our first image on our final image, the second image, onto our original object. So that's how we will go about that question. It is from the topic matrices and transformation in Form 4, and I hope you have followed. In case you have issues, you can check on the topic which I have done, matrices and transformation, and you'll be able to understand more.